Okay, 3.2. AWS is a global powerhouse, a network of regions, zones, and edges working together like Stark's global tech empire. The design ensures reliability, speed, and resilience on a planetary scale. Regions are like Stark's major labs, self-contained, strategically placed, and highly secure. Each region has multiple availability zones, separate facilities that don't share failure points. Edge locations extend reach worldwide through services like CloudFront and Global Accelerator. Together, they deliver high availability, low latency, and disaster recovery. Looking back at Iron Man, when Tony Stark shows his new tech network, it mirrors AWS's design. Each Mark suit is like an availability zone, specialized, resilient, and connected. Edge locations act like drones, delivering resources instantly to wherever the action is. Global power, local precision, that's AWS infrastructure.